Using headers with the Python request libraries get method. So I recently stumbled upon this great library for handling HTTP requests in Python, found here, this URL. I love working with it, but I can't figure out how to add headers to my GET requests. Help?
According to the API, the headers can all be passed in with request.get.
This answer taught me that you can set headers for an entire session. Bonus, sessions also handle cookies.
Seems pretty straightforward, according to the docs on the page you linked, emphasis mine. Requests.get URL, params equals none, headers equals none, cookies equals none, auth equals none, timeout equals none sends a GET request. Returns response object.parameters. URL for the new request object. Params, optional, dictionary of GET parameters to send with the request. Headers, optional, dictionary of HTTP headers to send with the request. Cookies, optional, cookie jar object to send with the request. Auth, optional, auth object to enable basic HTTP auth. Timeout, optional, float describing the timeout of the request.
Go to this URL. Copy attributes, typically accept language in user agent. Wrap them in the dictionary. Pass headers in your request.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.